In this Microsoft Power Automate tutorial, you will learn all about AI Builder. After this video you will understand how to use AI Builder for different scenarios and to solve different problems. In this Metisc tutorial for beginners, you will learn how to get started with Smart Document Scanner using AI Builder in Microsoft Power Automate. Our Power Automate expert, Hao Yuan Li, will show you the quick way to create a model and train it to scan various documents the easy way.
So firstly, AI Builder is part of the Power Platform that allows you to bring artificial intelligence into your workflows or Power App. It also allows you to use AI models that are designed to automate your business process and get into your own data. So with AI Builder, we can extract the data or text from emails and save them in different places. So firstly, we can log into Power Automate. Sign in with your work account or school account. And we, on the left-hand side, we go to AI Builder Explorer. If we go to this document processing model, this is a custom model. Document processing model will learn from your documents, so it can detect and extract the form details, form fields that you want to save, whether the form is made up of printed text or handwriting. You can use images or PDF files to train your model. But images should be as high quality as possible to avoid any issues in the detection. And yeah. So take this as an example. When companies receive an invoice, and in that invoice we have a lot of fields and information. Processing these information in the documents and manually entering them into your database, say your Dataverse, can take a considerable amount of time. But by using the AI model, you can extract the key value and information or tables from the documents, from the PDF file, and then you can create workflows to automatically feed the information into your database. And you can even create an app to review the information. So if I click on Create Custom Model, you just walk through these 5 steps to create your own model. And with each type of documents, you get a description. So for structured documents are those where for a given layout, the fields, tables, or checkboxes and other items can be found in similar places. And you can teach the model to extract the data from structured documents that have different layouts. Examples are invoices, purchase orders, or delivery notes, etc. And here are a few examples. In this case, in this demo, I'll just use the structured documents, and unstructured documents are basically just a paragraph where the model needs to be trained to pick up the information hidden in the paragraph. and invoices are standard account payable forms. All right, let's go with the structured documents and click on Next. And list all pieces of information that you want the AI model to extract from documents. So choose information to extract. This is a sample invoice. And in the second stage, we're gonna define a couple of fields or information so that we can teach our model to extract these information. So we can define a text field, a number field, date field, checkbox, or a table. And with the sample orders I got here, we can define fields like customers, invoice number, the date field, and we can also have price and amount. Okay, so first one, customer. We need to know who the customer is, and it's a text field. And then we can add product. And we have invoice number and date. Invoice number is a number field, is it? Not really, because we have this hyphen in between and it's not a number field format. So it's gonna be a text field as well. Invoice number. We have date field. Let's say it's due date. And we're using Australian date format, day, month, year. We have amount and price. Amount, we choose dot separator. The price is also a number field. Okay. So after we define these fields and information, we can proceed to the next stage by clicking on Next. Here is the collection section. A collection is basically a group of documents that share the same layout. We can create up to 200 collections per model. But you have to make sure for each collection, all of the documents in this collection share the same layout, same format. For example, if you are building an AI model to process invoices from 2 different vendors, each of them should have their own invoice template. So we need to create two separate collections. But in our case, we're just gonna create one collection for this particular invoice layout. We can add documents by uploading from my device. And one thing to know that for each collection, you should have at least 5 documents, right? So So we have all the PDF files uploaded already, and is also the collection supports formats of JPG, PNG, and PDF. After uploading your files, you can go next. Okay, so the next stage is tagging documents. By tagging the documents you've uploaded, you're teaching your AI Builder model to extract the fields and tables that you've just defined in the second stage. To start tagging, we can select one of the collections on the right panel. We have collection 1 here, and we can simply drag a rectangle around the field you are interested in and select the field name that it corresponds to. For example, this customer field is customer. And then we have invoice number. We have due date, amount, product, and price. Okay. And then let's see, what's the next step here? Okay, we need to do same thing for each of the document. Yeah. The training is completed. We can then go to the details page to see the result. Accuracy score, information to extract. And this model correctly predicted 92% of actual results and may be ready to be used. In order to improve the accuracy score, we can, again, provide more documents and retrain the model. And the model will be more precise over time. We can have a quick test. Upload from a device. Let's see if it can pick up all the informations that we defined: customer, invoice number, due date, amount, product, and price. Yep, it works. And then we can just publish the model, and the model will be ready for us to use. That's it.